to download or install Duolingo app on MacBook. So here we come with the easiest way in order to do so. So follow this step by step. First of all, open the Google web browser on your MacBook. Then in search address bar, simply tap down the Duolingo and hit enter. Now all you have to do is navigate to its official website. Once you are in the official website of the Duolingo, simply tap on the three dot icon available at the top right corner of your Google Chrome screen. Then from the drop down menu, all you have to do is tap on the cast, save and share. Then tap on the install Duolingo option available there and confirm the installation. It is the most easiest way to download app on MacBook. Now all you have to do is, it will be opened in the Chrome app. Double tap on the Duolingo app and you can simply view it on your MacBook. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.